What's up, everybody? For
There's
today's
an arrow up your
video, we are playing. Where are you guys? Oh, we are playing Animal Company. My favorite code is CC18. So if you join it, you're gonna probably be the lucky person who gets this bag. One special item with the grab. Can I get some ammo?
I got you here.
Hey, yo. You get this limited time gun. Okay. We are gonna go mining.
You have 2 arrows up your butt now. There's like 4 arrows on your face and like 2 up your butt.
Someone help me. We're gonna go.
You want me to? Yo, quit spinning. I'm gonna get the arrows out of your butt. Turn around. Quit spinning. Not one of them. Let me grab the arrows out of your butt. What?
For today's video,
Let me get the arrows out of your butthole. I need the chocolate covered arrows.
It's our first time playing Animal Company. Like seriously, I'm super new. Like super new. I just started like 15 minutes ago.
Hey, you have 2 arrows in you now. One in your neck and the other one like somewhere, I don't know.
I dare you to fight!
Owie! Ow! That killed him? What? How'd that kill him? How did that kill you?
Let's go
I'm
fight.
scared.
I'm gonna stick.
Not the stick! Not the stick! Not the stick! No, I'm sorry.
Oh, the camera's already getting better.
No, please. No.
You're gonna just. You really think it's gonna do something to me? Where the hell?
What the? Bro's spinning. Yo, bro's dodging my arrows. Bro's secret move is dodging my arrows. Where did bro go?
Domain expansion!
Help! Help me! Viewers, help me!
I want.
No!
Choose who's gonna win in the comments. 3, 2, 1, go!
Owie! Not the stick!
Oh, what the heck?
No! Oh, I guess I win.
You didn't see
I
anything.
guess I win.
Well, I'm gonna make you stay to the stick. Help me! What's that, Rizzlers? I'm super jump. Is my secret move spinning and dodging?
No.
You're gonna kill me. Stop it. Oh,
How are you not dead? No, I need more arrows. I'm out of arrows. They're all stuck in you. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. But not for me.
Guys?
Please don't hurt
Let's
me,
fight
mister.
to the stick.
Please don't hurt me, mister.
To the screen, to the stick, to the ring.
Please don't hurt me, mister. Owie.
Please don't hurt
Really
me,
good.
mister. Ow! Call the ambulance. But not for me, did he?
You know what? Stick attack!
I called the ambulance. You're dead. Yep.
No, I'm
You
not.
should have put my name in the comments because I'm gonna win.
No. No.
Do not do
No, you're
the
not.
domain. Do not do the domain expansion move. I hate that move.
From
Do
the screen
not
to the
do the
ring
thing.
to the pet.
Do not. Ow!
Yeah! Yippee!
I never die.
It looks like you died.
I never die. Ow!
Ah! Not the stick! Not the stick! Please, anything but the stick. Owie!
God. You're gonna. This was originally the movement, but now this used to be the movement. And now this is the movement. To the screen, to the ring, to the. What is that?
Ah! Escape plan!
You're never gonna have escape plan.
Oh,
Are you in here?
I juiced it!
Guys, have you ever felt what it feels like to get sold? Stop it. But first, let me steal my camera and see what that does. I'm sorry, people, but you're gonna be worth a lot.
Guys, you should have commented my name.
No, I won.
Does Bro not realize
We're
he can kill me right now because I'm from Red
Technoblade.
Watch?
Why do you keep shooting me? We're literally like Technoblade in here.
Does Bro not realize that he can kill me because I'm a Red Watch and he can kill me in Safe Zone now?
I don't have.
Why
any
would I
money.
tell him?
I don't have any money.
I mean, sticks are free. Oh crap! Oh crap! My thing's auto-buying stuff! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh no! He has the dual-wheel pickaxes! Escape plan!
Get over here,
Escape plan!
Wait, don't kill me.
Trick
I
move.
want to become Technoblade for a minute. Now I'm Technoblade.
Look, guess what? Now you're dead.
Stop it!
Bye-bye.
It's storming out. Did you hear that, everybody?
Yeah, I heard the thunder.
Yeah, like seriously, it's super laggy.
No.
Wait, how did
Why
you
is the
take my
camera following me? Why is the camera following me? Help!
Give me back my camera!
Take it! I don't know how it's on me! Help! Thank you.
Can you stop? I'm trying to stop my camera. Because the people didn't like. They did not know about it.
Your viewers are cheap.
No, because they're unsellable. Because they're super sick.
I kiss the viewers. I kiss the viewers.
Wait, I'm gonna give you the camera one again. I'm gonna give you the camera again.
Wait, how did you give it to me?
I think that's a new update. Take it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it!
I can't grab it. Oh, what the? Ah! I can't grab it. It doesn't let me.
Wait, kill me. I take to my hands.
I don't think bro died. Yeah, bro's dead right now. You know what? That's it.
But he's not.
Ah! No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
A brick.
I didn't
Where's
mean
my-
it. I didn't mean it.
Controllers move by itself. I didn't.
Owie.
Wait, how did I give the camera to you? I can hit my own camera?
Wait, where'd it go? Where did it go?
I killed it. I can kill
Yeah, I'm killing your viewers.
my weird.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not the stick. Not the stick.
Bro, because you're scared of dogs and you're gonna scare them, they're gonna come to you. Because I'm more scared.
Where did his body go?
What the heck? Bro? I went right in here when I died. My corpse went into here. Technoblade never died.
You're gonna die. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due. I'm happy.
Okay, everybody, I'm gonna end the video here. You better give me likes!
Yeah, if you're begging for them, they're not gonna give up.
Please!
gonna do. If you don't give him 1,000 likes, I will show up to your house with an RPG and I will explode your parents. Yes, and
Get
he'll
an
do that.
RPG right now. Wait, I'm gonna get my
I
RPG.
got you.
Before I end the video, I'm gonna get my RPG. And totally
Nah,
not
bro, I got you.
threaten
I got you.
Okay. You better subscribe. Oh wait, you're not subscribed yet? You better. 3, 2, 1, you
You're not subscribed? You guys aren't subscribed?
Yeah. You should subscribe, but that's gonna happen.
Subscribe.
10
Subscribe right now.
times. Okay, we're gonna end the video here. And to the end of the video.